What's going on today, guys? I want to go over how to make more money while working less, and this one rule and principle that I have followed to not just work less, but wake up whenever the fuck I want, be able to go out to restaurants in the middle of the day, not worry about my phone ringing, and all this other headspace that I've been able to acquire because of this one simple rule. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe below, and let's get right into this. And before I do have my program right now that is out. It is my 8 clients in 8 weeks accelerator. You can hit the first link in the description below. If you're an agency owner, you're looking to get more clients, you want to copy and paste all the stuff from my agency that's been able to generate over 8 figures in the past couple of years, just click the link, first link in the description. It's under $100. There's no excuse. Okay. So with that being said, my number one rule is the 80-20 rule. You've probably heard this before from Tim Ferriss and other entrepreneurs out there because he was the author who came up with this whole principle. The 80-20 rule is, simply put, the 20% of the things that you do should make up for 80% of the results. If you're doing shit right now during your day that is not making up 80% of your results at 20% scale, then you're overworking. Now you're at this like 40, 60, 50, 50. And if you stop doing X, Y, and Z here, it's because it's not productive and it's gonna decrease your numbers and it's gonna be unbalanced. You're gonna be working 80% of the time for 20% results. A lot of people associate working harder with making more money. In the beginning, you work harder to build a foundation. You work harder to acquire skills. You work harder to find out what actually works. And then you use the 80-20 rule to scale upon what's working, to triple, quadruple down on what's working and optimize your time better. And that's where a lot of business owners don't get. They start running paid ads. They start hiring people and they don't realize that their business is not in the 80-20 state. It's in the 60-40 or the 50-50 or even flopped the 40-60, which is a terrible way to be. That means you're getting overworked. You're going to hit burnout sooner than ever. You cannot be the bottleneck in your business. You need to instill your confidence and skills and things that you've learned and empty them out in little pieces to other people, and you build a team, because for you to actually make more money as an entrepreneur, you have to stop being a solopreneur and you have to become a leader. A leader is the one who wears the crown, who people look at, look up to, who people look for guidance from. You know, you're like their parents, but in your company. You need to be that person that people look up to as a leader, because as you walk and as you talk, they will follow. And if you're not doing X, Y, and Z, then they are not going to be happy about doing X, Y, and Z, and they will not follow you. You need to be a leader, okay? Not everybody's fit to be a leader. Some people are better off just being solopreneurs, coaches, consultants, and just, you know, maybe having high margins below revenue. And that's okay. Not everybody's going to be a leader. You know, I have 55 plus team members. Shit is not easy, let me tell you that. Dealing with everybody's emotions, dealing with everybody's goals and KPIs and personal lives, and, you know, giving people my 2 cents every day and really instilling my blood, sweat, and tears of my company to them is not the easiest thing that's, you know, perceived on the internet. People think that building a team is easy. You just pay somebody and that's it. No, it's not. There's a lot of things that go into morale boosting. We host events in person that I like to bring the team together with. We do so much shit so that we can boost team morale and obviously give them the right tools, the right trainings, the right tickets to events and stuff to go learn and be better marketers and people. So, and let them network on their own. We know that they're not going to stay here forever with us. They're going to go on their own career. Maybe they might start their own agency one day, right? They're looking for my guidance as a leader to point them in that right direction. So that's really the basis of, you know, working smarter instead of harder. You know, when you become really smart, you use that to have shortcuts. You use that to find people who you know are smarter at certain things. You can't find somebody who's going to do something 100% as well as you. As long as it's 85% as well as you, it will be scalable and fine. It's going to have very, you know, low breakage and just low impact on the business if it does go downhill, right? You're looking for somebody who's at least 85% as good as you at that one skill set, and you can replace yourself easily. You can't be a perfectionist when it comes to that. But using that 80-20 rule to realize, like, really evaluate your day. Look at what you're doing. Look at who you're talking to. Look at who your team is. Am I working 20% of the day, and is that accumulating 80% of the results? Are the 20% of the things that I do on a daily basis making me 80% of my money? Is that the case? Because 20% is going to make up for 20% of what you're making with your own grit. And then the other 80% is through scale, through people, through optimizing, through scaling what's working, through not reinventing the wheel, through not getting stuck in imposter syndrome, through triple downing and quadrupling down on shit that makes you money without more effort. That's the whole point of it. So please evaluate your day. If you want to throw me a scenario in the comment section, go for it. I'd love to chat it up in the comment section. Subscribe if you are new, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.